Every year, over 50 million tons of electronic waste is generated worldwide. Hidden inside these discarded smartphones lies a fortune, literally. A single ton of old phones contains more gold than a ton of gold ore. Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's most advanced e-waste recycling facilities, where millions of old smartphones begin an extraordinary transformation into pure, gleaming gold. This is the complete process. From the moment these devices arrive at the factory gates to the final gold bar extraction. Welcome to Factory Dreams. The process begins with collection. These smartphones arrive from all corners of the globe: old iPhones, Samsungs, Huaweis, and countless other brands, each containing trace amounts of precious metals. But before any gold can be extracted, every device must be carefully sorted and categorized. This is where human expertise meets automated precision. Before smartphones can enter the shredding process, their lithium-ion batteries must be carefully removed. These batteries are hazardous if punctured and require specialized handling. This crucial safety step is performed with surgical precision. With batteries safely removed, the dismantling process accelerates. Every component, from cameras and speakers to circuit boards and glass screens, must be separated. Each material follows its own recycling pathway, but our focus remains on the circuit boards where the gold resides. Now comes one of the most dramatic stages: industrial shredding. These circuit boards, once the brains of smartphones, are fed into massive shredders capable of processing tons of material per hour. What emerges is a fine mixture of plastics, metals, and those precious golden traces we're after. The shredded material now contains everything mixed together. Advanced separation techniques using magnetism, air flow, and water density sorting isolate different material types. Steel and iron are pulled away by powerful magnets. Plastics float away in water baths. What remains are the precious metal-rich fragments that will yield our gold. The concentrated material now enters the chemical refinement stage. Using a combination of smelting and chemical leaching, base metals are separated from precious metals. This is where modern chemistry meets ancient metallurgy, fire and acids working together to isolate pure gold. These ingots contain gold, silver, palladium, and traces of other metals all mixed together. To isolate pure gold, we use a selective chemical process. Aqua regia, a powerful mixture of nitric and hydrochloric acid, dissolves gold while leaving other metals behind. This dangerous but effective process has been used for centuries. gold is now dissolved in acid solution, invisible to the naked eye but more concentrated than ever. By adding a reducing agent, typically sodium metabisulfite or ferrous sulfate, we cause a dramatic transformation. Pure gold precipitates out of solution as a fine brown powder. This is our treasure, finally revealed. The final stage transforms brown gold powder into gleaming gold bars. One last smelting at extreme temperature, over 1,200 degrees Celsius, melts the powder into liquid gold. When poured into molds and cooled, the result is pure gold bullion, the ultimate treasure recovered from millions of discarded smartphones. From electronic waste to precious metal, this is the complete circle of modern urban mining.